Good evening, everybody. Welcome to another segment of 60 Seconds of Sanity. I'm your host, Cornell Thomas, along with my co host, Nobody, because my special co host, Bryce, he is sleeping, and my other co host, Marlo, she's behind my screen and she's sleeping right now, and she's a dog, and she's not as cute as Bryce, so it's not going to really do anything. Today's quote: even the strongest storms get weaker over time. We've all been through this before, where we felt like we've had the worst day ever or the worst week ever, and life is just throwing us curveball after curveball, and we're just striking out. But what we need to realize is that even the worst storm eventually passes and the sun comes out. The Great Flood eventually passed, not the one with Russell Crowe where he was like Noah and there was like an army and all that stuff, but the one in the Bible. So there comes a point where if we believe that there's a storm, like mentally, there'll be a storm. Or if the storm comes and we feel like there's no way out, then it will always be stuck in here. Because no matter how sunny it is outside, we'll just see the clouds. My advice to you for today or for tonight is even when it's raining out, here it's sunny and bright and it's a beautiful day. This is Cornell Thomas from 60 Seconds of Sanity. You can check out my website, powerpositivity.net. Follow me on Twitter at Cornell Thomas or check me out on Facebook. Hope you guys have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow, hopefully with my co-host, Bryce.